part 2, we're going to fix driver's side power window. It still doesn't work. I don't know yet what's wrong. We'll diagnose the electrical circuit, see if it's a faulty motor, maybe some still issues with the wiring, or maybe issue with the switch. I don't know yet. I decided to do the 2 parts because if I will put a power door locks and a window in one part, it will be too long to watch, and I decided just to make it 2 and split them for different clips. Okay, let's get started, and yeah, we'll take the look of wiring diagram, do some tests, and see what we'll find. And first, as usual, let's confirm the issue, see if our power window works or not. And I know it doesn't, but let's just do it. Let's turn to the key to the on position. As you can see, main window switch is on, and let's try to move it up, down, and I don't hear anything, nothing. But as you can see, those windows are all working just fine, and yeah, there we go. And we don't have this driver's side window issue confirmed. All right, let's take a look at the wiring diagram. There's a battery, under hood relay box, and because we just confirmed the issue, and we also checked rest of the power windows, front passenger side and both back windows, they all worked. It means under the hood fuse relay box 41 fuse 100 amps is intact, 42 and 46 40 amp fuses are good, and ignition switch is fine. When we turn ignition on, we could energize 3 of those window power motors and move the windows up and down. Okay, it means our under the hood fuse relay box, this fuse is fine, 24 number and 7.5 amps confirmed, and relay is fine as well. And as you can see, here's a left rear, right rear, front passenger window motor, and now we're interested in driver's window motor. As you can see, here's our master switch, which is this one, and we don't know yet. We might have the problem with this switch. We'll find it out. And here's the 4 wires are coming down to the driver's window motor, which is here, and connector is coming out, and as you can see, the 4 wires, same colors which we have on the diagram. We have black, which is our ground, G401 and G402, it's ground. We have a blue wire coming from the power window control unit to control the switch polarity, and we have our red, blue and red, yellow wires for powering the electric motor. And yeah, pretty easy, and by switching the polarity, that motor turns different directions. All right, let's check if we're getting any power and ground to the plug, and check the continuity of that electric motor. Let's connect our test light to on good ground. This one here. Okay, let's turn key to the on position. Here we go, and checked those 2 powers. They're coming from fuse number 11, 20 amps, down to this driver's side power window control unit. And by pushing switch up, we should have a power on one of this wire. By pushing switch down, we should have on another wire. Let's see what we'll find and see if we're getting power. We just got that door wiring fixed, and all was broken. All right, let's check that. Key is on. let's probe this red wire with the yellow tracer. I'm just back probing, and yeah, as you can see, I'm pushing my switch down and my test light is lit. All good. We're getting a control and power. Okay, let's test this red wire with the blue tracer and see if we're getting power to the motor. Okay, good. See, it means window should go up and down. We don't have any problems all the way to here, and we're actually testing when window motor is connected under the load to do the most accurate reading. Okay, we have two more wires here. Let's check those ones. Let's see if we are getting ground. I'm just using a T-pin. I put a T-pin on the back of this connector like so, and I will switch my test light to this ground, and we'll probe it one of this red wires and see if we can find the ground. Yeah, we got a ground, and now we're only looking for this blue wire. Okay, let's check the power on that blue wire, and on this blue wire, when we'll switch this power switch up and down, we should see the power just switching back and forth, not like we had the power only down or up on those red wires. And yeah, see if we're getting a juice. Okay, my key is on, ground is connected, and I'm probing at the back of this connector, and I don't have nothing here. I have nothing here. Okay, probably we have open somewhere. Let's just go to this main connector over here, find this wire. It's a skinny blue wire, just a blue with no tracers, and find this guy here somewhere and probe it from the connector. And key is on. Let's back probe straight at the connector and see if we have, yeah, as you can see, my test light is lit, down and up. I'm going to fix that wire, and we should have a power window working. Just before we'll start repairing that wire, just let's do one more test. We can actually do actuation test to power those two connectors, supply power and ground, ground and power, and make a motor move, but that's okay. Let's just check the continuity on those two thick wires that are going straight to power window motor. Continuity ohm test of the electric motor is most like a secondary. It doesn't tell you is it motor good or not, but at least we know windings of the electric motor is still okay. Well, let's fix this blue wire and connect everything, and I think if motor is fine, our window should go up and down. Let's set our multimeter to ohms. There we go. I hope you can see. Let's just need to set it like that, and yeah, we'll probe. At least we don't want to see oil like that out of limit, and I have a 0.10 something ohms of resistance on my multimeter, and let's just probe it 2 pins for the electric motor, and we should see some resistance at least. And we have had it stabilized 2.1, yeah, 2.1.5 ohms of resistance. At least now we know our power window electric motor, which is a simple DC electric motor, is not open and windings are intact. It still could be the problem with the motor, but at least this is a good sign that motor is potentially could be good. Now let's spray some electrical contact cleaner, make sure we don't have any rust and crust. Contact looks good. I just wash it and prevent the oxidation. All right, here we go. Let's connect this connector, and technically we should have window motor working. Okay. Let's turn key to the on position again and see if it moves. And we know we have everything to the motor. Powers, ground, switch powers. Yeah, but it's not working. Alright, we need a power window motor because we have everything for the motor to work and it's not happy. Need the motor to get replaced. Finally, replacement part arrived, and this one is made by Doorman. There's this part number, as you can see. It's new, made in China. Let's plug it in and it should work. Cross your fingers. You never know. Okay. Yeah, let's turn our key to the on position and hope for the best. Oh yeah, ooh. Now we're talking. Ooh. Happy motor. Ooh. Yeah, motor is working. I paid 75 Canadian dollars for this bad boy. Oh yeah, ooh, nice. Well, now I'm going to install the window motor like that, and yeah, repair videos will be up there. Card. This is diagnostics video, and yeah, sweet. Right, let's turn key to the on position and see how it works. Here we go. Windows going up. Have to probably lubricate those tracks a bit, and it's going down. Perfect. Well, a little bit of diagnostics, and yeah, not too bad for 25 years old Honda CR-V. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Appreciated your time, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Yeah, it's working. Power window is fixed, and if it's helpful, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon. More interesting Honda videos are coming up, and power window replacement repair video will be down in the description. Check it out, and this is just the diagnostics. Yeah, take care, see you soon, and bye bye.